Debt refers to money borrowed from a lender with the promise to repay it over time, usually with interest. Debt can take various forms, such as credit card debt, student loans, mortgages, personal loans, and car loans. While debt can be a useful tool for financing important purchases and investments, it can also become a burning hole in your finances if not managed properly. Here are 4 important reasons to prioritise paying off debt. Financial freedom. Debt can limit your financial freedom by tying up your income in monthly payments, restricting your ability to save, invest, or pursue other goals. Lower stress. Debt often tends to lead to financial stress, affecting your overall well-being and mental health. Paying off debt can alleviate this stress and provide peace of mind. Save money. Debt accrues interest over time, meaning that you end up paying more than the initial borrowed amount. By paying off debt sooner, you save money on interest payments. Improved credit score. Timely debt repayment positively affects your credit score, which will often provide you with more financial options, such as lower mortgage rates. A big problem I've noticed among people in debt is them having no plan. If you want to clear your debts, then having a plan is vital. Here are a couple of popular methods. Debt snowball method. This method involves prioritizing debt repayment based on the outstanding balances. Pay the minimum amount on all debts, but allocate extra funds towards the smallest debt. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll the amount you are paying towards that debt into the next smallest debt, and so on. Debt avalanche method. This method focuses on prioritizing debts based on interest rates. Allocate extra funds towards the debts with the highest interest rates, while paying the minimum on the other debts. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, move on to the next highest, and so forth. If you are good at staying self-motivated and committing to your goal, then the avalanche method should leave you paying off your debts quicker and with less being taken away in interest too. While paying off existing debt is crucial, it's equally important to adopt habits and strategies that prevent falling into debt again in the future. Here are some tips to help you stay debt-free. Establishing an emergency fund is essential for handling unexpected expenses without relying on credit. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate savings account for emergencies. Develop a detailed budget that includes all your income and expenses. Track your spending and ensure that your expenses stay within your means. Avoid the temptation to spend excessively or keep up with a lavish lifestyle. Differentiate between wants and needs and make conscious decisions to spend less than what you earn. Cultivate frugal habits and seek satisfaction from experiences rather than material possessions. If you use credit cards, do so responsibly. Pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Be cautious of using credit for unnecessary purchases and make sure you can afford the payments before taking on new debt. Instead of relying on credit for significant expenses, save up in advance. Whether it's a car, a home, a vacation, plan ahead and set aside funds specifically for these purchases. This approach will help you avoid debt and reduce the financial burden. Invest in yourself through education and skill development. Continuously enhance your knowledge and expertise to increase your earning potential and career opportunities, minimizing the need for borrowing in the future. Set specific financial goals for yourself, such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. Having clear objectives motivates you to make better financial decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. Instead of succumbing to impulse purchases, practice delayed gratification. Take time to evaluate whether a purchase aligns with your financial goals and needs. Give yourself a cooling off period before making significant purchases to ensure they are deliberate choices. Conduct periodic reviews of your financial situation to ensure you're on track with your goals. Assess your spending, savings, and debt to identify any areas of concern and make necessary adjustments. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, budgeting, and debt management. Read books, attend workshops, or seek advice from financial advisors. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. By implementing these strategies and adopting responsible financial habits, you can prevent future debt and maintain a healthy and sustainable financial life. Remember, paying off debt requires discipline and commitment. Stay motivated, track your progress, and celebrate small victories along the way. This video is a part of my Money Management for Beginners series. Check out the whole course over here. Like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.